Welcome to our Sanskrit.com lesson 4. This lesson is organized slightly differently. We will take a sample text and analyze the text for grammar. I will give an introduction to the lesson in this video. I will not go into the details of each word. These details are given in the website lesson. Go to our Sanskrit.com lesson 4. In lesson 3, we looked at vowel gradation, the simple vowel, the guna and the vriddhi. Then we looked at the 10 root classes and the formation of the verb stems and conjugation for classes 1, 4, 6 and 10. We said that these 4 classes together are called the thematic verbs. We also looked at the middle voice and the conjugational paradigm of the present indicative middle, the let atmane padam of the verb lab. In this lesson, we will take a story from the Hitopadesha and analyze the grammar of the text. We would have already seen some of these features in previous lessons. Others will be new. Don't worry if you don't understand these things fully now. We'll take them up in detail in later lessons. The main thing is for you to understand how a Sanskrit sentence and a set of sentences hang together. What do we mean when we say analyze a text? The process involved is this. First of all, remove the sandhis and get separate individual words. Now, if the text is in verse, you have to convert it to prose form. This means that we'll have to shuffle the order of the words to get a readable text in the natural order. Remember, we said that in Sanskrit, the words in a sentence proclaim their function by means of inflectional differences, declensions and conjugations. So poets have a big leeway in the construction of their lines. For each word, we need to figure out if it is a verb or a noun or a pronoun or a numeral or an adjective or an adverb or a particle or a conjunction or a preposition, etc. Then we need to figure out the grammatical function of the word, the declensional and the conjugational forms. What case, what gender, number, what tense, what mood, what person, what voice, etc. If it is a compound word, we need to figure out what type of compound it is and then separate out the constituent words. Then we need to determine the root from which each word or each constituent word of a compound is derived from. Then we need to trace the derivation of each word from the root. Figure out if the word is a participle, a gerund, infinitive, gerundive, or any other derivation, and what are the affixes and prepositions that have been added. Then we need to find the meaning of the word. The next step is to figure out the connection between the words in the sentence, the semantics. You will also need to figure out if there are any special constructs like phrases, absolute constructions, etc. Then find the meaning of the sentence. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks. After some practice, it will come naturally to you. In fact, learning Sanskrit itself looks very complicated at first, but over time, it gets very simple. Okay, let's move on to the Hitopadesha. The Hitopadesha is an ethico-didactic literary work that is a collection of ancient material put together by a person called Narayana. The stories that make up the collection is supposed to be a device used by a wise man named Vishnu Sharman to reform an ignorant set of princes. The stories consist of mixed prose and verse. The verses are mostly maxims and proverbs, whose meaning is illustrated by the stories in prose. Many stories of the Hitopadesha are sourced from the Panchatantra. The story given here, the donkey in the tiger skin, appears in the Panchatantra also. A similar story also appears in Aesop's fables. Here is the story in Devanagari. अस्ति हस्तिनापुरे कर्पूरविलासो नाम रचकः तस्य गर्दभोधिभारवाहनात् दुर्बलो मुमूर्षुरिवाभवत् ततस्तेन रजकेनासौ व्याघ्रचर्मणा प्रच्छाद्यारण्यसमीपे सस्यक्षेत्रे मोचितः ततो दूरादवलोक्य व्याघ्रबुद्ध्या क्षेत्रपतयः सत्वरं पलायन्ते स च सुखेन सस्यं चरति अथेकदा केनापि सस्यरक्षकेन धूसरकम्बलकृततनुत्राणेन धनुष्काण्डं सज्जीकृत्यावनतकायेन ऐकान्ते स्थितम् तं च दूरे दृष्ट्वा गर्दभः पुष्टाङ्गो गर्दभीयमिति मत्वा शब्दं कुर्वाणस्तदभिमुखं धावितः ततस्तेन सस्यरक्षकेन गर्दभोऽयमिति ज्ञात्वा लीलयैव व्यापादितः अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि सुचिरं हि चरन्मौनं श्रेयः पश्यत्यबुद्धिमान् द्वीपि चर्म परिच्छन्नो वाग्दोषात् गर्दभो हतः Let us now look at the individual words and their meanings. Asti Hastinapure Karpura Vilasa Nama Rajaka Tasya Gardabha Atibharavahanat Durbala Mumurshu Iva Abhavat Tata Tena Rajakena Asau Vyagracharmana Prachadya Aranya Samipe Sasya Kshetre Mochita Tata Durad Avalokya Vyagrabuddhya Kshetrapataya Satwaram Palayante Sa cha sukhena sasyam charati. Atha ekada kena api sasyarakshakena dhusara kambala krita tanutranena dhanushkandam sajjikritya avanata kayena ekante sthitam. Tam cha dure drishtva gardabha pushtanga gardabhi iyam iti matva shabdam kurvana tad abhimukham dhavitah. Tata tena sasyarक्षकेन गद्दभः अयम् इति ज्ञात्वा लीलया एव व्यापादितः. अतः अहं ब्रवीमि सुचिरं हि चरन् मौनं श्रेयः पश्यति अबुद्धिमान्. द्वीपि चर्म परिच्छन्न वाग्दोषात् गद्दभः हतः. Take a look at the meaning in full. Please go to oursanskrit.com lesson 4 for a full detailed analysis of all the words. Some of the key things you will learn or be introduced to are given here. This is the end of lesson 4. We took a story from the Hitopadesha and analyzed the grammatical structure of the text.